Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to work on tightening up the steering on this old mower. If you recall, this is a 2003 1525. I just did some work on it and resurfaced everything serviceable. Greasing, blades, belts, oil, light bulbs, everything. But I felt like the steering is just not as tight as it should be. So I bought a bushing kit, and its purpose is to go down in there along with a new gear that goes up from the bottom, and we're going to replace them both. So let's get the mower in the air and change them out. So there is the bolt and gear. The hope is that by undoing this, we'll be able to pull that down and replace it. Through there, where the bolt is a 22 millimeter. So this is going to be difficult to film, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up on the steering shaft and pull that out. Move this, oops, move that out of the way. And down in here should be that bushing. There it is. So I'm going to reach in there with my finger, and there's the bushing. So let's pop in the new one, and we'll slide the shaft back down in there, and then we'll bolt it back up from the bottom, actually. All you're doing here is you're wanting the round side up and the hexagon side down. We'll shove the shaft back through it, steering shaft back through it, like so. Going ahead and put back up the washer for the gear. Let's grab our new gear. Come on. You want to go. Twist it. Oh, there it goes. Right there. That's how it wants to be. Put the nut back on. So I was looking, and we didn't fix it with the gear. I'm beginning to think, I'm wondering if the issue is this rod. Let's see. Just some looseness in that. So I'm wondering if I could tighten that up. I'm gonna try doing that real quick. So I tried tightening the arm onto the bolt, but no luck. I am guessing this here has a bushing in it, and it's either walled out or it's still perfect. It looks good. I may look to see if there's a part here for this bushing and put it back on that and see what happens. Here's the part. It's a Cadet part, and this is it. So what we got to do is squeeze here with a pair of pliers on the one that's in there, pull it out, and pop in the new one. Let's give that a shot. There's the old and the new. Can't tell a whole lot of difference. Anyway, we'll pop her in and see if it makes any difference at all. It goes in top down. So, just like this. Okay, the bushing is in. We're just going to pop it back into place. So, the wheel. Just gonna pop it back into place here. So it goes up in there. And I've just got to get bolt and start it. So let's do that. Okay, it's on, nice and tight. I feel like there's a difference here. We'll see. Let's put the other one on. So this side I've already started. Just got to push it in and then put it back into the hole. To clamp this in, all I did was a pair of regular old pliers, and it pushes down quite easy. So let's pop it back into place. I ended up tightening everything, and I readjusted this. So that's just a screw underneath here. You pull up, gives you more fine tuning of where the wheel is. But I can tell things are a little tighter. Is it brand new 2024 steering? No. But is it better than 2003 steering? Yes, it is. So we're gonna roll with it. And I think the mower is done, except putting it back under the cover, putting it in the backyard, and thinking about it in another year or two. Yeah, good mower. YouTubers, if you like the video, like the video.